Well, New York's most iconic triangular building, the Flatiron, just sold $190 million.
It's just a building. It's an oddity. It has endured as the funny duck of New York.
In the heart of New York City stands the Flatiron Building, a true architectural anomaly. Discover the captivating history and the visionaries behind this iconic structure, often dubbed the strangest tower in New York. The Flatiron Building, often referred to as New York's strangest tower, is an iconic structure that has become synonymous with the city itself. Even though many people outside of New York may not know its name, its unique and distinctive appearance has made it a prominent feature in vintage imagery of New York, adorning the walls of cafes, hotel rooms, and dental offices around the world. This enduring fame can be attributed, in large part, to the building's unusual triangular shape, which was a deliberate design choice to maximize the profit potential of a challenging plot of land situated at the intersection of Fifth Avenue, Broadway, and East 22nd Street. Designed by architect Daniel Burnham and completed in 1902, the Flatiron Building is a testament to both architectural innovation and the ambitious spirit of New York City during the early 20th century. It stands as a historic landmark, an architectural marvel, and a symbol of the city's relentless pursuit of progress. The story of the Flatiron Building's creation is a fascinating one. Rooted in the economic and spatial constraints of its location, the triangular plot of land on which the building stands presented a unique challenge for architects and developers. Instead of being deterred by this unconventional site, Burnham embraced it as an opportunity to create something extraordinary. The result was a 22-story building with a distinctive triangular footprint that tapers to a dramatic point, resembling the shape of a clothes iron. Hence its nickname, Flatiron. This innovative design not only maximized the use of the limited space, but also provided excellent natural light and ventilation to the building's occupants. The Flatiron Building's exterior is a beautiful blend of Beaux-Arts and Renaissance architectural styles, featuring ornate terracotta detailing and intricate decorations. Its facade is adorned with sculpted figures, floral motifs, and other decorative elements, showcasing the level of craftsmanship that was characteristic of the era. Inside, the building's layout presented its own set of challenges. The narrow, wedge-shaped floor plans required creative solutions to accommodate offices and other spaces effectively. As a result, the interior of the Flatiron Building is a testament to efficient design, with innovative features such as diagonal hallways and curved offices. Throughout its history, the Flatiron Building has been home to various businesses, including publishing companies, advertising agencies, and art studios. It has also been a backdrop for countless films, television shows, and photographs, solidifying its status as an enduring symbol of New York City. Over the years, the building has undergone renovations and restorations to preserve its architectural integrity and historical significance. Today, it stands as a reminder of the city's rich architectural heritage and its ability to transform challenges into opportunities for innovation and creativity. The Flatiron Building's fame extends far beyond its name, making it an indelible part of New York City's identity. Its unique shape, born out of the necessity to maximize the use of a triangular plot of land, has made it an architectural wonder and an enduring symbol of the city's spirit of ingenuity and ambition. As it continues to captivate the imagination of people worldwide, the Flatiron Building remains a testament to the power of design to shape our perception of place and history. Before we continue, let's inject a bit of humor here. But on a serious note, if you like what you're hearing, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. It keeps us going and ensures you won't miss any of our future content. Now back to our discussion. Certainly, the condition of space scarcity wasn't a concern that afflicted Manhattan, especially when the construction of the Flatiron Building commenced in the early 20th century. The city was already known for its bustling streets, towering buildings, and relentless desire to reach for the sky. However, even amidst this urban jungle, the concept of skyscrapers was still relatively novel at that time. The construction of the Flatiron Building marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of skyscraper design and construction techniques. It was not just a response to the constraints of available land, but also a testament to the city's ambition to innovate and push the boundaries of architecture. One key factor that contributed to the uniqueness of the Flatiron Building was its departure from traditional load-bearing masonry construction methods. This shift was prompted by changing laws and regulations, particularly the city's fire codes. The Flatiron Building was among the early structures in New York to embrace a steel structural frame instead of relying solely on masonry for support. This transition to steel had several significant implications. First and foremost, it allowed for taller and more slender building designs, as steel was both stronger and lighter than traditional masonry materials. This change in construction technology paved the way for the soaring skyscrapers that would soon define Manhattan's skyline. Moreover, the adoption of steel frames allowed for larger windows and open floor plans, which were essential for maximizing natural light and ventilation in the narrow, wedge-shaped structure of the Flatiron Building. This innovative approach not only improved the functionality of the building, but also contributed to its distinctive architectural character. The use of steel also signaled a departure from the architectural styles of the past. The Flatiron Building's exterior was adorned with ornate terracotta detailing and decorative elements, showcasing a fusion of Beaux-Arts and Renaissance styles. This blending of aesthetics and structural innovation set the stage for a new era in skyscraper design, where functionality and artistic expression converged. In essence, the Flatiron Building represents a pivotal moment in the history of architecture and urban development. It stands as a symbol of New York City's ability to adapt and innovate in response to challenges and changing technologies. Its departure from load-bearing masonry in favor of a steel frame was not just a practical choice, but a visionary one that would shape the city's skyline for generations to come. The architects responsible for the design of the Flatiron Building were Frederick P. Dinkelberg and Daniel Burnham, with the latter being widely recognized as the original pioneer of American skyscraper architecture. It was Burnham who played a significant role in shaping the very term skyscraper, which was coined in response to his design of the Montauk Block, a high-rise structure located in Chicago. Although the Montauk Block graced the Chicago skyline between 1883 and 1902, it is the Flatiron Building in New York that has continued to proudly stand for over a century since its completion, despite its now relatively modest height of 22 stories. The enduring legacy of the Flatiron Building goes beyond its architectural significance. It has become an integral part of New York City's cultural and historical identity. The building's distinctive triangular shape, ornate terracotta detailing, and prominent location at the intersection of Fifth Avenue, Broadway, and East 22nd Street have made it an iconic symbol of the city's dynamism and ambition. However, despite its iconic status, the Flatiron Building faced its own set of challenges in recent years. Since 2019 it has sat empty, following the departure of its last tenants, Macmillan Publishers. This vacancy marked the beginning of a series of renovation efforts and a subsequent series of disputes among the building's current owners and prospective tenants. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this journey as intriguing as a river's meandering course, remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And guess what? Our next video is just around the bend. It's all about the hidden truth about China's new city built in the desert. You won't want to miss that, so stay tuned, and until next time, keep exploring.